Hi, my name is Jennifer German. I am the founder and owner of Integrate Ed. We are developing an immersive, interactive, and integrated video game-inspired learning experience for incoming medical students to help them more easily absorb and retain anatomy, physiology, and biochemistry. What inspired me to start this venture is I was in medical school, and my medical school friends and I were struggling. The professors would give us the information, and then they'd tell us in order to learn it better, easier, longer, you need to get interactive with it, active learning. And we'd say, great, how? And they would say, you figure it out. So Christmas 2023, my kids got a new video game, and of course I play it with them, right? And the entire time I'm sitting, oh great, here's another map that's gonna burn its way into my brain when I need that room for medical school information, right? If this was just a map of the human body, I would know it already. And I went, well, that's a great idea. Gamification versus video game learning. So we are actually building a 3D rendered, anatomically accurate human body, and we're putting the student inside of it. And this isn't leaderboards and daily streaks and flashcards, right? This is actual immersion, and you have to interact. Oh my gosh, there's so much great stuff about the Burgess New Venture Challenge. Obviously the people, there's a great community here, and I love supporting the other companies. Also, there's some amazing ideas. I feel love back from Burgess, right? And so anytime there's anything I need or I have a question, how do I do, what can I do? There's always, oh, we can help you with that, or we can teach you that. It's just wonderful.